guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. In this week's video, I am going to be showing you how I reorganize my shipping supply storage area as well as prep the whole area for when I ship out of my business office. I've got a business, Goddess of Herbs. You guys can check out that link right here and you'll find it in the description below, where I sell herbal remedies and natural products, and then I have to use all this stuff to wrap it and pack it. When I first decided to go tiny, I needed a space for all of this because it's huge. So I decided to put it under my stair up into my office, and that was going to be my designated spot for all of my shipping supplies. However, it is a little crowded, and then I just bought all of these things as well because I'm starting to get low on supplies, but it is an extra space to just shove stuff in there. So we're gonna take the time today to reorganize it. Plus I prep it by putting labels on it to get them ready for when people order, so that I don't have to do those little tidbit steps, you know, when they order. Okay, my shipping storage is under the stair that goes up into the office. It has a hinge so that I can put it up like this, but it's kind of really sloppy and messy right now. This whole drawer comes out, and it is 29 inches by 28 inches by, I believe this is 9 inches, but only about 7 inches is usable space. So we're gonna actually start taking all the stuff out. I saved these extra boxes just in case I have something that I have to ship that could need more sturdiness. But this is my problem. I start to hoard stuff like this. I just don't need this stuff if I rely on specific stuff to ship my stuff with. These are free at the post office. Shipping for priority mail, there's a specific amount that you have to ship, but these ones specifically are for weight and distance, so you can pick these up for free, get a scale at home. Newspaper in there to wrap stuff like my pre-love trinkets and treasures group. When I sell like crystals and glass stuff for my house, I have this newspaper to wrap the stuff in. These are the priority boxes that cost something. So this box I believe is like $7. It's probably gone up. Tape, lots of tape. And then I also have these international ones where I actually fill out my address and stuff ahead of time, so that the least that I have to do before I go to the post office is what I want to do is the least. Looks like we are done emptying this out. We're gonna have to fit a lot of this stuff back in there, but we're gonna reorganize it, and then I'm gonna also show you how I prep, put stickers on, and get the package ready for when I go to ship something. First, I'm gonna do a quick vacuum. This is pieces that I cut to have prepared so that I don't have to pull this big old thing out of storage. We cut about 25 of these and stack them up, and that's part of what goes in this little drawer here. They do go fast. You use one per tincture, or sometimes you can even cut it down the middle and use just one per tincture, and then just take it and roll it, and then after it's completely rolled, tape it. And then this along with this is extra padding for it. I also put Fragile at the bottom if I'm using something for glass, just in case the post person doesn't want to treat the packages nicely and they just throw it thinking, oh, because it doesn't say Fragile, we're not going to handle it with care. I kind of put Fragile on a lot of my stuff. All right, let's start tearing. We're only gonna do 20 pieces. We have this much left, and this isn't going to be able to fit anywhere. So I do have an idea where I'm gonna fit this, so I'm going to put it aside for now, and we're gonna get back to reorganizing the step. I always want to start by putting the biggest boxes inside first. I don't really use these a lot unless I'm selling the stuff from my pre-love trinkets and treasures group and they order a lot of stuff. So what we're gonna do is, let's put them this way so we have more room up here for bigger stuff or for other stuff. These I don't use much, but if I was to ship clothes, instead of shipping it in a box, you can ship it in one of these, since they're kind of, I get clothes in these from Amazon and stuff like that, so they're just flimsy and hard to store. Do the best you can if you do something like this. That stuff back there is the least used. These things we're gonna put in, this is where I usually put them, is right here. In fact, I think we're gonna do a few more, because it does look like we can fit more. The least room that we have to find for this, when this is done, is probably better. So fit as much as you can in here while also making it comfortable to get in here when you need to get the stuff. Because that's my problem. I shove so much shit in there that I can't get in it when I need to get in it because I still have that hoarder mindset. I'm gonna put this newspaper on top of here just to weight this down. And then now we have this little bitty section to work with all of this stuff. It's a lot of stuff to try to fit in there. I think I'm going to eliminate these and throw them away. These stickers, we also, because they're shipping stickers, we can put those on top of here for weight, and it's also out of the way. Nope. I'm gonna open these and slide them in here like this because they seem to have room back there and it doesn't take any of the room that I need for all of these. I'll just have to remember that they're back there before I order more. Shadow girl, what is she doing there? Does she want to go in there? Oh, does she want to go in there? Now to get started on how I prepare these. I put my address sticker on it, and then on the inside I prepare each with a bag with my business card in it and a sticker that says Goddess of Herbs, which I put out here when I seal it just to show the people that it's coming from Goddess of Herbs. I print these and I pre-cut these so to have them prepared when I go to do this. These are the ones that are already done, so we have 4 small ones, 2 medium ones, 3 large ones. We're gonna put the large ones here. Hi, Rocky. Here's some more business cards. Actually, these are not business cards. These are to grab more stuff. I have not used this stuff in a very long time, so maybe we just get rid of it because we don't need it. However, this box is useful for business cards and those stickers and getting those bags prepared, and then you put them in here so that when you get these prepared, you can easily put them from here to here. But I'm gonna keep this out for now.
If I sits, I fits. If I fits, I sits. Rocky, where are you going? Rockland, honey, where are you going? My gosh. Rocky, get out of there. Good boy. Shadow, Shadow, Shadow. Come on, out. Shadow, out.
We are simply going to take each of those piles, a card and a sticker, and put them in each of these envelopes. All right, I went ahead and put my address on there. And it looks like we are done. Yeah, so that wasn't bad, right? If you guys plan on having an office in your tiny house and need a little shipping area, that's a good idea if you use that stair. If you also set up your shipping stuff before you ship all your stuff, that would also be a good idea. But again, in preparation for having a tiny house, and if you have a business in a tiny house, that is the most convenient spot that I can think of to store away my shipping supplies. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe below and hit that notifications bell so you can receive a notification every time I post a new video, which is every Sunday. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye. Anyhow, which is why you see. Woo! That was so unexpected. Hold on, I have to get my bearings. Oh! it's taping.